You guys, this is my favorite eyeliner ever. So today I'm gonna be testing out the Too Faced Killer Liner in the USA edition. This has over 17,000 5-star reviews and it retails for $23. So let's test this out. First things first, let me show you just how ultra precise this tip is. It's so tiny, so cute. You guys know I love a good winged liner, but sometimes getting that perfect wing can be a little bit tricky. With this though, with how small and precise this tip is, it makes getting that wing almost too easy. If you're a beginner, if you're a pro, this would probably still come in handy to you. Next up, we're going to be doing a smudge-proof test, and I'm actually really curious to see how this does. Because I know that Too Faced products tend to do really well in the heat and humidity of Florida. The weather here right now is absolutely beautiful. Mid-80s, sunny skies. So I feel like this is the perfect time to do this test. Now I have oily eyelids. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like half the battle of any kind of makeup, especially eye makeup, is fighting the oil on your eyelids. But as you can see, this liner did not budge. And I swear by this trick. If you want your liner to last all day long, set it with a little bit of eyeshadow. All you need is a fluffy brush, a little bit of translucent or even a little bit of brown eyeshadow, and just take a little bit of extra eyeshadow. And just lightly dust it over top of the liner. And what that is going to do is just set the liner and make it last so much longer. Now we're going to move on to the waterproof test. And I'm currently in the shower. It's hot, steamy. This is probably one of the worst environments for makeup. Let's see if this holds up. It's been a whole 2 minutes of me being in the shower. That is the longest I've ever gone without my makeup running. I'm impressed. No joke, usually within like 30 seconds, maybe even less, my makeup is running everywhere. This stayed put. I am impressed. And next up, I just wanted to show you guys the before and after eye transformation. This is without any eyeshadow. Sometimes I like to keep it simple, go with just the liner and mascara, but when you add just a little bit of eyeshadow, it really transforms the look and makes the eyes pop. Now I will link down below exactly what I used for this look. It is very simple. And next up, I wanted to show you guys how quickly you can line your eyes in just 5 seconds. Now if you're familiar with the brand, you guys know that they are all about that precision tip, and if you've never tried it before, I highly recommend it because it makes doing your eyeliner so precise and clean. When you first get it, it's gonna be a little bit scary. It's super thin, super tiny, but once you get the hang of it, I promise it's gonna change your life. Next up, I wanted to compare the Killer Liner to a drugstore version. And I picked up the Maybelline Eye Studio Master Liner. Now I've heard great things about this one. I think it was like $10, which is an absolute steal. So we'll start off with the Too Faced. As you can see, I'm going for a very basic wing here. And then we'll move on to the Maybelline. Now keep in mind that the tip on the Maybelline is way bigger than the Too Faced. So it's definitely going to be a thicker line. You can't really get as precise with it, so it really depends on what look you're going for. For me, I love a thin, precise line. So I prefer the Too Faced, but if you like a thicker line, maybe the Maybelline would work better for you. And it also depends on the price point. Like I said, the Maybelline is $10 compared to the $23 Too Faced, so ultimately it comes down to what you're looking for. Next up, I wanted to show you guys a quick winged eyeliner masterclass. Now I wouldn't say that I'm by any means a master at winged liner, but I definitely have some tips and tricks to share. So this is the look that I'm working with. I have hooded eyelids, so I always find it helpful to pull my eyelid up as tight as I can to really see where the wing should end. And then from there I'll mark it out with a pencil, and then I usually try to angle it upwards towards the end of my eyebrow. That way it really lifts the eye. And then from there, I connect it back to my inner lash line, and then I fill it in. Again, I do like to set it with a little bit of eyeshadow, just to make sure that it lasts all day long. And then I usually go back in after and I tighten up the wing a little bit more and make it a little bit thicker towards the outside. This next test is part 1 of the long-lasting all day wear test, and we're currently at 4 p.m. This is right after I applied the makeup. So we're gonna check back in later on and see how it's held up. But for now, I just want to mention that I apply my makeup around 6 a.m. So it's currently 10 hours later, and this is how my makeup is holding up. I am in a state of shock. I have to say this is the longest that my makeup has ever lasted. Usually by this time, 10, 11 a.m., my makeup is completely gone. This is absolutely incredible. I didn't expect it to look this good, especially considering I didn't set it with powder or anything. This is literally just the killer liner, and a little bit of eyeshadow. Maybe a total of 10 minutes of makeup application, and it looks just as good now as it did 10 hours ago. Next up, we're going to show you guys the bold look versus the subtle look. And this is how subtle the liner is. Even though it's black, you can barely see it. But once you fill it in, it really transforms the entire look, and you can see how much more bold it is. But again, you don't have to go super thick and super dark. You can go as light or as dark as you want. Last but not least, I wanted to give you guys an insider tip on how to make your eyes look bigger, and the best way to do that is to always start your eyeliner halfway down your eye. And I'll explain why. Take a look at this. If I were to start the eyeliner all the way at the beginning of my eye, it would make my eye look smaller. Whereas if I start it halfway down, it really elongates the eye and makes it look bigger. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I truly appreciate each and every single one of you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.